my makeup looks really nice. Like, this is how my face really looks when I'm not standing right in front of a white light, and it just looks nice. And if you guys can't, I don't know, if you're new to my channel, you know that this hair, yeah, this is my this is my midnight blue hair. Everyone always asks me where I got my hair from. This is a midnight blue wig, 5 bundles up to 30 inches. I think like 2 30s, 28, 26, 24. And I got this from Big O Bundles. I live in New Jersey, so Big O Bundles is based in New York. They do same day delivery, so I got my hair delivered to me within like 2 hours. If anyone like actually orders from Big O Bundles, like delivery, like around New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, I think, ask some questions down below, because I think I ordered with them twice or once, I can't remember. But this hair is pretty good all the way down to my butt. It matches my shirt. So we got the blue hair. Ooh, ooh. We got the blue hair, the midnight blue hair, and we have the honey contacts in. So we have to act a fool, even though I'm only probably gonna go to the mall today, maybe, but I'm definitely going to the nail salon. It's been 5 weeks with these nails on, and they're lifting. They hurt so much. I need to take them off and get a new set. We love a new set. So I keep seeing these like brown soft cut creases, and I was just like, maybe let's just keep it basic this time. I haven't did a cut crease in like 3 weeks, almost a month. I haven't did my makeup. I haven't liked it, so let's do a soft cut crease. I might just like skip over this part because I don't know, I'm not really an eyeshadow tutorial explanation type of girl. So I'm gonna use the same palettes I've been using, and we're just gonna skip over this part a little bit fast. And when we get to the face, my mouth will be running.
This one.
I could keep my eyeshadow like this because this brown and this blue is a combo, but oh yeah, I have like a sty, I guess. Oh my god, it got worse. I don't know what's going on. My eyes are already low, so I'm pretty sure you guys weren't even able to tell the difference. But I could keep it like this, but I haven't did a cut crease in so long, so I need to practice. So So I just finished my eyeshadow. For some reason my lighting's really off, maybe because I played with my exposure the last time, because I was really light in my last video because of lighting. But I have this bright ass light right here, and right here. So I just finished this basic ass I did like a half eyeliner, like eyeliner with no wing, whatever, super basic. That's what I wanted. It looks kind of good, could have did better, but we're gonna move on. So I still need to go to the fucking store. Still need to go to the store. I think I definitely need makeup this time. I'm running out of like primers, foundations are starting to change colors, Fenty concealer's running out. I definitely need to go to the store. You guys know I can't control myself when I get around makeup, especially Sephora. We're gonna work with what we have, which is not really what I want to work with. Okay, so I think in this video I'm gonna talk about some of the comments that were left on my last video, which was my lashes video and my nails video. Just some things to clarify. Ooh. Well, not a lot. I just seen, let me just say one comment just to keep it to the bare minimum. But I saw a lot of comments like telling me, oh, maybe your eyes are low because your lashes are too heavy, or what's on your neck, what's the other one, foundation is too light, comments like that. Okay, so on my neck, if you're new, I have eczema on my neck. So my neck is much darker than the rest of my body, which is quite obvious. You always see me covering up my neck sometimes because I don't really like to show my neck. It's eczema, and I don't like to match my foundation to my neck because my neck is not the color of my face. And so at this point, since my chest obviously belongs to a lighter skinned woman, as you can see, 3 different colors, I just match it to my face, and whatever color is on my face, I'm gonna have 3 I have 3 colors naturally regardless between my neck and my face. So I'm not trying to match all of them. I like to match it to my face. There's no makeup rule that tells me I have to match it to my neck or that I have to match it to my chest. And I just feel like matching it to my chest is not, I'm gonna be way lighter than what you guys have seen. So, and I said about my eczema, and about the foundation being too light, I do have these bright ass lights in my face, so it could sort of alter the appearance. And if you guys don't know, doing your makeup in like a white light or a yellow light could change the color that it gives off. It's some chemistry science type shit, but the basic is that like doing your makeup in like a white light would probably stay true to color versus doing your makeup in a yellow light. I learned that. My major is chemistry, so the little chemistry behind makeup I kind of know about, so I knew my light was affecting how my makeup was turning out. How do people talk and do makeup at the same time like this? Okay, so besides that, what's next? The way I do my makeup, I'm not trying to tell anybody how to do their makeup. I'm not trying to tell people that the way I do it is the way you should do it. I'm always like, this is how I like to do my makeup. I like a bright ass under eye. I like, well, my eyebrows are naturally thick, so I can't really help it unless I get my eyebrows tweezed, which I'm not trying to ruin my natural brows just to make some people happy. And I like a really bright center of the face. Like that is just something that I like. I'm so sorry, but freak do people talk and do their makeup at the same time? But whatever, besides that, I gained like 1,000 subscribers in like 2-3 weeks, so I'm so happy. Thank you guys. If you're a new subscriber watching this video, thank you so much. That video went off, and it's crazy because when I was writing down like ideas for my channel, like to film, I was like, nobody wants to see this. Like, who wants to see someone try on lashes? But then I was like, I may have an advantage because my eyes are really, really, really small. And I wear really, really long, not really like big, but I wear really long lashes. So maybe it could be a thing, and it ended up being a thing. So I don't know. Maybe all the other ideas I'm in my head, like nobody's gonna watch that. Nobody wants to see this. Nobody cares about this. Maybe they're all bangers. Maybe I have the secret recipe to bangers. So, but thank you guys so much for watching that video, commenting, liking. A lot of people went to like my Instagram and Twitter, started asking me questions and stuff. I'm never afraid to tell people where I got my stuff from. I will never be that type of person. Like, I don't know why people are stingy. Like when you ask somebody, oh, where'd you get your lashes from? Oh, I forgot. I can't tell you. Bitch, you know who charged your card. Simple. Go to the nail salon today because it's been 5 whole weeks with my nails. 5 whole weeks. There's a lot of people, well, there's people in nail salon that are really bold, and it's usually the older, for my Nigerians, Oyinbo women, and they just are so concerned with how long my nails are. And I remember this one lady in the store was like, where do you work at that your nails are that long? And I was like a sophomore or junior at that time. I was like, I'm a student. Like, I don't, my job is not going to be like your office job where you guys have to look and like look a certain way, I guess, and keep a certain, where you guys have to like look and keep a certain type of appearance. And she was like, the whole time she was staring at me and getting my nails done. Mind you, these, besides this, because I was playing basketball at in an arcade, but besides these are the longest my nails have ever been. I just started getting these super long nails like a couple months ago. So like a year ago, 2 years ago, my nails were like down here, like it was half of this, and she was concerned. And so I'm just noticing that when I go to the nail salon, why did I just apply my concealer like that? But I'm just noticing when I go to the nail salon that I usually go, well, sometimes I go with my sister, but we have like different schedules now since I like to get my nails done every 2 weeks like clockwork. But I'm noticing that like when I get my nails done, there's people staring at me getting my nails done. Like, mind your business. It's that simple. And they always ask me, how do you do anything with those nails? What job do you have with those nails? How do you deal with your nails so long? You know me, I mind my business. All the short nail people, I mind my business. They like their nails that way because whatever. I can do every single thing any short person nail could do. And I just don't get it. Like, I don't know why people think that long nails. I'm really about to talk about nails because I don't understand, because I think that's like, a lot of people are concerned about why my nails are so long, or why I decide to get my nails long, because they're cute. Like, this is an aesthetic. I like it. It's like a design can get so much cuter when your nails are longer, or a color looks so much cuter when your nails are longer. Like, and my fingers look a lot slimmer with these long ass nails because I'm a big girl. So when I used to get short nails, it's like stubs. I just think as a community, short nail girls should stay within their short nail girl community unless they want to graduate, and long nailed girls will, because I don't know about any long nail girl that is concerned about somebody getting short nails. Like, I just don't know it. It's like we just mind our business at the nail salon every time I go. Even the people who do my nails, they barely give me a hard time, and they're the ones doing my nails. It takes me like 2 hours, no, maybe like 3. yeah, maybe like 3 hours to do my nails, because I do my feet with my nails. And yeah, but besides that, my nails have been on for 5 weeks. I got one refill. And the only reason why I'm changing my nails, because I usually, if you watch my last video, on my nail video, the only reason why I'm changing my nails is because I had broke a nail. I forgot what I was doing like 2 weeks ago, one nail, and the guy replaced it with a curved nail. And I forgot I have a nail on my finger. He replaced it with the curved nail, which was like this, and this is like the straight nail. So I was like, hold up, wait a minute. That curved nail's looking really nice with like the shape he did. He did like a perfect ass shape, and it looks like, I love how that looks. So I was like, let's just get a new set. So yeah, I'm about to go get my nails done. Well, I'm about to go eat and then go get my nails done. I don't know what I want to do. It's really hard for me to find a style I like, because I like basic nails, but sometimes I like designs, which is like 1% of the time I like designs, and today I like designs. So I don't know if I want to get like a basic set or a design set, or like an ombre set, or like a bedazzled birthday extravaganza set, you know, the set that everyone gets when it's their birthday. So I don't know what I'm feeling today, but you guys will see the glow, because it's time for these nails to go. Other set looks like this is like a baby pink type, and look at this curve. And I'm about to go get my nails done, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. My room at like 1:30. I ate by like 2:30. I've been at the nail salon for 3 hours, and this is what I came up with. I figured out my nails before I got to the nail salon, so I just stuck with it, and I ended up getting black with, if it's gonna focus, black with gold flakes, super long. But this time it's like, instead of like the regular coffin I got really skinny tip coffin, and you gotta do the short thumb so you can be able to actually use your fingers. So it was worth it. It was only $60. That's not bad at all, because I usually pay $45. So with the design, like with the gold flakes, it was an extra $15. Got my toes done. So yeah, I love how this looks. I haven't did black like professionally before, so I'm so happy. I must flip the camera around. Okay, so that's basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about these new nails. Oh my god, they look so nice. I'm actually happy. I was kind of like sitting in the chair like, beach. Hold up, you might have to take that off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you guys want to see down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I almost forgot what I was about to say.